Velomobile lovers, I've got some super exciting updates on the Share Your Velomobile Story campaign. Let's go! The responses have been great! Stories are pouring in from riders all over the globe. From heartwarming tales of daily commutes to thrilling adventures that span hundreds of miles. You've been sharing what Velomobile riding makes so special. Your story could inspire someone to join the Velomobile community. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a daily traveler, or a long-distance rider, we want to hear your story. Click the link below and register and share your Velomobile story. Let's show the world how amazing Velomobiles are. And don't forget, for every 100 stories we get submitted, there'll be one GoPro Hero 13 given away. So, don't miss out. See you next time. Bye-bye. Let me just... No, my gosh. Is my hair still okay? It's fine. Given away.